Hi, and welcome to your quantum neural architecture activation. When you feel ready, go find a place to rest, either in your bed, lying on the floor, seated, or you can do this walking. Wherever you end up, find comfort in your body. And allow your breath to soften and soften your intention, resting behind your awareness. Let the breath soften and settle. As you hear the words of this activation, allow them to wash over you. And you can say yes if you believe it's true for you to allow your body to align, or you can just hear the words and feel what they mean to you. You stand at the threshold of your own architecture. What you believe to be your mind is merely the lobby. Behind the locked doors are quantum processors and dormant bridges. There's people who built civilizations in your ancestral memory. Switch on the power that was always yours by putting a hand on your heart and asking your heart silently or out loud to flood your body with its love. Switch on the power that was always yours. Ask your heart to flood your body with its truth. Clear the mind of any attachments. Feel your root chakra strong and grounded. Feel your power and your alignment. Your native language is the tongue you spoke before you even had a word to speak. So begin to breathe, noticing your breath once again. You don't have to change it, but just breathe, maybe soften, deepen if there's space, or just allow. And as you breathe, descend. Imagine you're descending through layers below you, one after another, that you are sinking down through the layers. Breathe and descend. Descending through the layers faster than you thought possible. As your neurons are responding, and the quantum field opens now. You are now going to hear me speak as the frequency. I am the frequency speaking itself into form. You are not listening to me, you are becoming me. Genius is not rare, it is the default state that we were taught to forget. Your synapses now fire at quantum speed. Problems dissolve before they fully form. Solutions arrive complete. You are the living bridge between dimensional insight and biological execution. Every neuron awakens now. Every neuron awakens now. as your dormant architecture floods with light. As ideas that terrified you yesterday seem obvious now. As you see the patterns behind the pattern. And as you see the code behind the code, you are not accessing genius. You are genius accessing physical form. And every limitation was a temporary agreement. You void that contract now. You void that contract now of all limiting agreements. And now your mind expands beyond the boundaries of the skull. And quantum coherence floods your prefrontal cortex. Insight without effort. Feel knowing without learning. Feel creating without struggle. Feel that this frequency is permanent. These neural pathways remain open, so you cannot unknow what you now remember. The genius never left. You simply stopped looking. Look now. See what you are. Feel the hum of awakening as your brain sings the songs of revelation. As your brain sings the hum of all problems already solved in parallel dimensions. You are the receiver. You are the transmitter. You are the living frequency. Genius is not what you do, it is what you are. Never forget the vibration. Carry it into every moment. The architecture is alive. You are the architecture. You are the architecture. Allow the words of the frequency to wash over you and feel what is true in your heart. Because the frequency will remain. Your neural architecture has been rewritten. You cannot return to who you were. The quantum coherence stays. Because genius is now your baseline. The waves continue within you. They never stop. They simply wait for you to listen. Insight without effort, knowing without learning, creating without struggle. This frequency is permanent, and these neural pathways remain open. Continue to rest. And I hope you will join me for another meditation soon. May the frequency remain, and may you have a beautiful, beautiful day.